Submachine guns are a variety of small arms or firearms. They are short-barreled, magazine-fed weapons, often using pistol ammunition and capable of automatic fire. Also called submachine carbines or machine pistols, they are inaccurate but light, simple to operate, and reasonable to manufacture. The term submachine gun was coined by John T. Thompson, the inventor of the Thompson submachine gun, to describe its design concept as an automatic firearm with notably less firepower than a machine gun. In this video, we're going to show you top 10 submachine guns. Before we start the video, please like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start the video. Number 10. MP5. The MP5 submachine gun was developed by Hepler & Koch Company in the early 1960s. It proved to be a highly successful design. It proved to be an extremely successful design. This weapon is in service Germany, Greece, Iran, Mexico, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, Sudan, Turkey, the United Kingdom, and 90 other countries. The MP5 is a blowback-operated, selective fire weapon, chambered for a standard 9x19M parabellum ammunition. However, this submachine gun is unusual because it fires from a closed bolt and has a roller delay blowback mechanism. The MP5 is a high-quality, reliable, and accurate weapon. Number 9. Uzi. The Uzi submachine gun, SMG, was designed by Uziel Gal, Israel's Army lieutenant, in 1949. The weapon was selected by Israel's Army due to its simplicity and ease of production. The Uzi proved to be an extremely successful design. Currently, it is still used by around 70 countries from all over the world. The Uzi was licensed-produced in Belgium and Rhodesia, now Zimbabwe. It is an open-bolt, blowback-operated submachine gun. It is chambered for a standard 9x19M parabellum round. Number 8. P90. The P90 is not a typical submachine gun. It was developed in Belgium by Fabrique Nationale, FN, in the late 1980s. The FN P90 was introduced in the early 1990s. The P90 was so successful that it is currently in service with nearly 50 countries. It is chambered for newly developed 5.7x28M ammunition with sharp-nosed bullets. This round has enhanced penetration comparing with a standard 9x19M parabellum round and is effective against body armor at ranges of 100 meters and beyond. Number 7. MP7. The MP7 submachine gun was developed by the famous Hepler & Koch Company of Germany. The MP7 was first revealed in 2000. Currently, it is in service with Germany and more than 20 other countries, including South Korea and the United Kingdom. The Hepler & Koch MP7 is a gas-operated, selective fire weapon. This SMG is chambered for a new Hepler & Koch 4.6x30M high-velocity ammunition. The 4.6x30M round fits the gap between pistol rounds and rifle rounds. It is superior in terms of range and penetration to the standard 9x19M parabellum round used by most submachine guns. Number 6. Hepler & Koch UMP. The Hepler & Koch UMP submachine gun was designed as a successor to the famous MP5 in the mid-1990s. The UMP is in service with more than 20 countries. The HK UMP is a blowback-operated, selective fire weapon, fired from the closed bolt. Its first versions, the UMP-45 and UMP-40, were chambered for 45 ACP and 40 Southwest ammunition, respectively. Later, a 9x19M version became available, UMP-9. The UMP can fire in semi-auto, full auto 2 or 3-round burst modes. The HK UMP is available with 25 and 30-round capacity magazines. The UMP-45 is typically fed from 25-round magazines. Number 5. Beretta PM-12. The Beretta PM-12 submachine gun was developed during the 1950s, though it is still used in Italy and some other countries. This submachine gun was licensed-produced in Belgium, Brazil, and Indonesia. The Beretta PM-12 has a stamped steel construction and a tubular receiver. This submachine gun is chambered for standard NATO 9x19M parabellum ammunition. The original PM-12 had a safety button, located over the pistol grip. This weapon is fed from 20, 32, or 40-round capacity magazines. Number 4. MAC-10. The MAC-10 submachine gun was designed by Gordon B. Ingram, an American arms designer. Production commenced in 1970 by the Military Armament Corporation, MAC. In 1976, the MAC went bust and production rights for this weapon were transferred to RPB Industries. Incorporated copies of this weapon were manufactured in Japan, South Africa, and Taiwan. Today, the MAC-10 is no longer a premier submachine gun. There are two baseline MAC-10, or M10, models chambered for 11.43, 45 ACP, and 9x19M Parabellum rounds. Number 3. Scorpion EVO3. The Scorpion EVO3 is a submachine gun developed by Česká zbrojovka company. This weapon is referred to as Scorpion in the Czech Republic. However, for the rest of the world, it is marketed as Scorpion. Design on the logo was sold to Česká zbrojovka company. The Scorpion EVO3 was first publicly revealed in 2009. The Scorpion EVO3 has been exported to Argentina, Bolivia, Egypt, Indonesia, Malaysia, Malta, Panama, Paraguay, Philippines, Serbia, Thailand, Vietnam, and possibly some other countries. This weapon is chambered for standard 9x19M Parabellum ammunition. Number 2. Brugger and Tummet MP9. The Brugger and Tummet MP9 submachine gun is a further development of the Austrian Steyr TMP. In 2001, Steyr stopped production of the TMP submachine gun because of the lack of sales and sold production licenses to the Swiss arms manufacturer. This submachine gun has been exported to Bulgaria, India. The MP9 has new trigger safety, as well as an ambidextrous safety/fire mode selector button, located behind the trigger. Number 1. SAF submachine gun. The SAF is a submachine gun developed in Chile by Fábricas y Mestranzas del Ejército, FAMAE. Production of this weapon commenced in 1993. It is based on the FAMAE SG 540 assault rifle, which is a licensed-produced version of the Swiss SIG SG 540. It is a blowback-operated weapon, which is fired from a closed bolt. Upper and lower receivers are connected by two steel pins in the same manner as on the M16 assault rifle. This submachine gun is chambered for standard 9x19M Parabellum ammunition. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. Subscribe to our channel for future updates. In the end, thanks for watching, and see you next time.